Who says only the young can conquer Everest? Meet the ultimate silver-haired summit squad. Chapter 9. Old age issues at high altitude. Climbing Everest was no spa day for Arthur, Cecil, and Bartholomew. Arthur's knees creaked so loud, the Sherpas thought it was an avalanche. Cecil's hearing aid broke, so every gust of wind sounded like mysterious yodeling. And poor Bartholomew? His trusty walker got wedged in a glacier crack. But did they turn back? Nope. With pure stubbornness and a pocket full of hard candies, they kept going, proving you're never too old for a little adventure.